Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So as we prepare for the phasing of the construction, what we will do is we'll have probably 3 to 4 phases of when the masjid will go through construction. Where we're standing right now is in the current library, and the current library in one of the first phases will be transformed into the new bathrooms for the men, so that essentially when we start the phasing on the backside, the bathrooms will be available for people to use. Right now, obviously during COVID, that's not the case, but inshallah we plan to make sure that the masjid has some sort of use throughout the phases. The masjid will go through 4 phases of construction. The first phase will include creating the space in the front of the masjid to be able to prepare for the back of the masjid to be constructed later on, inshallah. The idea is to keep the masjid operating in some form or another throughout the construction process, inshallah, and that way we'll keep the masjid going and we will move from one place to the other in the masjid while the phases of construction go on.